helmet, and I've had it on a while, so I've got a Super Duper Tear on, and I'll save it for my lap 1. I'll then say, tell everybody that I'm serious about even the untimed practice. Oh, sorry about the fly. When it's under load, it's alright. It's just when you offload, onload, offload, on, just feels like clunk. I thought, fucking, is it pads? What is it doing? Fucking head? But it's really harsh at the front. Harsh? Yeah. Going around the hairpin, it feels like the suspension's practically bottomed out or something like that. It feels it's turning fine, but it's juddering back down to it. Well, not juddering, it's not like sliding, but it's really firm, like it's massively overdamped, or there's too much oil in the forks, so it's like it's reaching end of travel sort of thing. Well, yesterday was free practice, so even though it was timed, it was a bit of a run round, but I noticed the bike was jumping about a bit over bumps with the rear end, and the front end felt very stiff and kind of bouncy when it was under compression. So we've put some more fork oil in the forks to help support it at the bottom of the travel and soften the back suspension and the front suspension off a little bit to hopefully make the bike a bit more fluid over bumps. And fingers crossed, give it a whirl.
Little slide. Oh yeah, and then I was winding it up to do one of the best passes ever seen ever, and then I got a bit excited, my foot just went and missed the gear change again. Keeps happening. It's a bummer.
You're going to have to train your feet.
Well, on that, the last lap of the first race last year, I had the best run out of Druids ever, and all three of you were in one tight pack. And I just went into the slipstream. I thought, this is it. Went for fourth gear and missed it twice, and it was like I couldn't get over that for days. It was my chance just to get on the podium. I led it, you know, when you just go into Druids thinking, right, it's going to have it, it's having it full bore around it if it's do or die. I liked it when he raced now, thinking about, because he gets to the front, then holds everyone up, and I could always catch up then. But now he's not here, everyone just the lap times are just rude. Yeah, he just outbrakes everyone in the corners, and then he just parks it, doesn't he? And it was like mega for being able to catch people up.